In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the creation of Google Ads for your business. I'm going to show you how you can easily create ads within seconds, and then you can even play with them a little bit, use ChatGPT to recommend you even different variations, as well as different call to actions and other copies. For the sake of this video, we are going to be using my website, which is popupsland.com. Here, basically, this is a pop-up builder that allows you to create pop-ups that you can collect leads with. You can show useful links, show your newsletter signups, show discounts, and much more. But the cool thing about it is that on each of the pop-up, you have a small notification that is saying, we reduce our carbon footprint via this pop-up. So the pop-ups actually create a competitive advantage for your business as well. All right, so let's just start. So the first thing is that you want to open a new window in ChatGPT. Then you want to click on ChatGPT 4, and we are going to be using plugins. If you don't have access or you don't know how to install plugins and the web browsing feature, I'm gonna link a video down below how you can do that. I have a step-by-step guide, so make sure to watch that video. When you choose the plugins, you're going to have this extra drop-down menu here. You're going to click on it, and we are going to be using a plugin called RoboAd. If you don't have the plugin here, you just simply go to plugin store, and then unfortunately they still don't have any search bar here. So you have to go to all, and then you have to search and browse through the pages until you find a plugin called RoboAd. You then simply just click on the green button to install it. You then return here and you are going to activate the plugin, clicking on this blue tick. You then are going to see that you have 1 out of 3 enabled in this chat. This tells you how many plugins you can have in this one chat. The maximum in one chat is 3 plugins. In this video, we are just going to use 1. You can see that they try to give us very short and kind of vague description of this plugin, which says your AI-powered ad assistant. This does not tell us that much how to use this plugin or what it can do. And thus, the first thing I always do with all the plugins is that I just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT has knowledge about all the plugins within the ChatGPT plugin store. So we are going to write down, explain what this plugin does. It knows that we are talking about the RoboAd plugin because in this specific chat, we only have 1 plugin enabled. All right, and it's finished. And we can see here that this plugin, RoboAd, is designed to help users create effective text advertisements for platforms like Google Ads. It uses generative AI to analyze a given URL and generate ad content based on the information found on the website. Now, this is cool because you can create personalized ads within seconds, specifically for your business. Then it lists 3 different use cases. So the first one is URL analysis. The user provides a URL for analysis. The plugin uses the analyze URL endpoint to examine the website and identify key elements such as the brand name, product or service name, call to action, languages used on the site, and unique selling propositions. The second use case is ad creation. So it actually can help you with creating ads. Once the URL analysis is complete, the plugin uses the create ads endpoint to generate ad content. It takes the information gathered during the analysis and uses it to create a compelling advertisement. The ad content is presented in sections brand name, product, service name, call to action, and unique selling proposition. And then thirdly, feedback and iteration. After the ad is generated, the user has the opportunity to provide feedback and request changes. The plugin can iterate on the ad content to better meet the user's needs. This gives us immediately a good understanding of what this plugin can do. So I typed down, give me 10 examples of prompts I can ask this plugin. And I got answer saying like it can analyze the URL that we give it for an ad creation, create an ad for the brand XYZ with the product ABC using the call to action buy now, and the unique selling proposition best quality in the market. I have a website. Can you analyze it and suggest some ad content? Generate an ad for my online clothing store, Fashion Hub, with the unique selling proposition, trendy and affordable. So you can see that there are many ways that you can format the prompt for this specific plugin. It's only up to you to decide what exactly you want. But right now I'm going to show you these examples in action on my website. All right, so I'm gonna take the first one so you can see it in action, analyze the URL, and we are going to give it my website. So the first prompt is analyze the URL popupsland.com for ad creation. We are going to send it, and it automatically knows that it should use the plugin because the plugin is the only plugin that is enabled in this conversation. All right, so it looks like it's finished and it's writing all the necessary stuff that we need for our Google Ads. And it's now using the plugin once again, as it automatically knows that it should create the ads for my website. All right, and it's finished. So let's have a look at what it has done. So firstly, here's the analysis of the website popupsland.com. Brand name popupsland, which is correct. Product service name popupsland, carbon offsetting pop-ups. Yes, that's correct. Call to action, create your account, get started now. That's correct. That's a good call to action because you have to create an account on my website where you can then log in and create the pop-ups. Unique selling proposition. Create pop-ups that are good for your business and the planet. Engage your visitors and reduce your carbon footprint. Grow your business with environmentally friendly pop-ups. Language, English. All right, so this quick analysis of my website is very, very accurate. Basically, all this information is correct. And it also created the right unique selling proposition, which actually, because the business is very unique and there is not really anything like that on the market right now, it actually got it right when it was scanning through the website. And then it automatically started the second step, which is now let's create some ad content based on the analysis. So then it used the plugin for the second time and it writes down, based on the analysis, here are some ad content suggestions for Popupsland. Title, carbon offsetting pop-ups. Popupsland, grow your business with eco-friendly pop-ups, engage visitors, and offset your carbon footprint. All these titles are very good, I think very engaging, and they would work in Google Ads very well. Description, we have a create pop-ups that are good for your business and the planet, create your account and start saving the planet, which is, wow, okay, this one is a good one. Grow your business with environmentally friendly pop-ups, offset your carbon footprint with pop-ups that are good for your business and the planet. I'm very happy with the descriptions as well. Like they are very short, snappy, to the point, and it actually really does show the differentiation of my product. And then thirdly, we have path, Popupsland, carbon offsetting pop-ups. So these are basically the ones that you can put in Google Ads as the URL. So popupsland.com and then /popupsland or /carbon-offsetting-pop-ups. Please review the suggestions and let me know if you want to make any changes. So if we want, we can also make changes. I'm here to help you create the best ad for your brand. I have used this plugin before and it has worked for me quite well. And I think in this case, it generated quite a valuable information for me to start running Google Ads. It really got the unique selling proposition right. And you would expect that it's kind of hard because there's nothing like that on the market, but the AI was able to get what the product or the service is about. Then it generated very good titles and descriptions. I'm gonna right now just try to show you that you can also change the ads or come up with maybe even more different variations. So here I'm going to write down how easy it is to use Popupsland as a pop-ups builder app. Highlight, I'm gonna hit send and we are going to see what it comes up with. All right, it started to use the plugin once again. You can click on the arrow as well, and then you are going to see what's happening behind the scenes. So here you can see that it's generating some description, path, titles all over again, specifically for the prompt I have written. And it looks like it's done. Based on your request, here are some ad content variations emphasizing the ease of use of Popupsland as a pop-ups builder app. Title, Popupsland, create your account, get started now. Pop-ups builder app, easy to use pop-ups builder app. I like this one. We have then descriptions. Pop-ups Land is an easy to use pop-ups builder app that helps you engage your website visitors and grow your business. Create your free account and start using Pop-ups Land today. With Pop-ups Land, you can create pop-ups that are good for your business and the planet. Reduce your carbon footprint and grow your business with Pop-ups Land. And then paths, Pop-ups Land, get started today, create your account, pop-ups builder app. All right, I'm really happy with this. So it did really try to emphasize how easy it is to build the pop-ups with my pop-ups builder. So maybe just these two here are not emphasizing how easy it is to use the pop-ups builder, but it's rather using the competitive advantage of how you can make your business eco-friendly with the pop-ups. All right, I hope you enjoy this video. And if you learn anything new here, hit the like button down below. Subscribe for more AI and tech videos in the field of business and marketing. I post every single week. Thank you so much and have a great day.